Hey guys, Chef Bari here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some coconut cream truffles. Begin by blending your coconut. Next, you blend your coconut milk. Place your coconut milk on medium-high and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix and bring to a small simmer. Next, take your hazelnuts, put it on a baking sheet. Place in a 400-degree oven for 5 to 8 minutes. Next, add your hot coconut milk to the chocolate chips. Blend the chocolate chips and coconut milk together. Next, add your ground coconut to the chocolate and coconut milk mixture. Mix throughout. If too thin, add more ground coconut. After, place in the fridge for at least a half an hour. Place mixture in pan and freeze for 3 hours. Take oven roasted hazelnuts and put in the center and roll as shown. After the first roll, place in freezer for 3 hours. Bring out and re-roll again. Rolling again makes a more uniform ball, as shown. Next is to temper the chocolate chips. Place chocolate chips in a stainless steel bowl under warm water and start mixing. If this method is too hard for you, you can warm up whipping cream and add a 1/4 cup of whipping cream to it, and it will be a lot easier for you. Tempering chocolate is actually quite hard to do. The right consistency, as you can see. Let the chocolate cool for 10 minutes before dipping the truffles. Start dipping the truffles in a smaller dish, as shown here. Just take your time, and using a wire rack helps a lot. After you have finished dipping, place in the freezer for at least 4 or 5 hours or overnight. If you like, you can take the other half of the rolled balls and just dip them in coconut as shown. Add a chocolate chip or nut on top and then place them in a nice little container, which I basically found at the dollar store. And it looks professional. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.